Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to read words that has the qu digraph. Are you ready? Let's go. Q and a U together, it makes the qu, qu, qu sound. Can you say qu? Qu. Well done. Let's read some words that has the qu sound. Qu, it, quit, 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 qu, ik, quick, 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 a, qu, a, aqua, a, aqua, aqua, qu, z, quiz, 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 s, qu, d, squid, 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 squirt, 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 squash, 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 quilt, 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 queen, 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 quack, 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 quail, 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 quail. Now let's read alien words. These are nonsense words. It doesn't make any sense, but we can still read them by using our phonics skills, by using our sound skills. Are you ready? Let's read them. Quog, quog, quog. Quoz, quoz, quoz. Quix, quix, quix. Quap, quap, quap. Queb, queb, queb. Quan, quan. Well done. Well done, everyone. Good reading. Bye bye, and remember, keep on practicing.